So today we're going to talk about the subject of why it's so important for people to be good at selling. And I just don't mean people in the sales profession, but irrespective of what your job profile is, irrespective of what your vocation is, it's extremely important that you know how to sell to people, you know how to persuade people, you know how to influence people. And I personally believe that without that ability of persuasion and influence, it's not possible for a person to really meet his full potential in his career or do really well in your career. Now, why is it so important professionally to have this ability? Because you're doing this practically all the time. So let's start with your first job. So the first time you need to go for an interview, and you basically need to convince or sell yourself to another person and convince him of the fact that you deserve that job as compared to the 10 other candidates that are there. As a matter of fact, the more senior you become, you need to go through multiple rounds of interviews where you need to convince a lot of different stakeholders that you are the right man for the job. Let's assume that you get the job. After that, day in and day out, you need to try to convince your boss about your point of view on how to do stuff. You need to get approvals from people on key projects where again you'll have to sell yourself, sell your idea, convince people of doing it. As a matter of fact, when you go for your appraisal, it's so important for you to convince your boss to give you a raise, give you a better rating. If anybody is dealing with an external customer, whether it's a customer service role or otherwise, you need to constantly talk to them and convince them of the smallest of things, whether it's about giving the payment on time or agreeing to some term of yours. So my first kind of thought to y'all is that sales, persuasion, influence is not just for salespeople. It's a key skill that is required by every person, irrespective of the profession that you're in. Tell me what you think.